5-to-1 Smart Base Installation Tutorial. First, open the packaging box. The accessories include 1. Instruction manual, remote control, power cord, adapter, emergency power cord, dry battery. Second, 6 bed legs. Third, LED sensor, offline voice box. Fourth, bed foot installation parts and matching KD screws. Fifth, the mattress lever. Sixth, the connection key between the smart base and bed frame. First, align the upper and lower beds together. Install the KD screws at the 6 places in the figure, with yellow labels for assistance. Tighten the screws. Repeat the operation on the other side. Install for connecting screws at the foot installation. The second step is to install the bed legs shown in figure 6. Install and tighten the bed feet. The third step is to install the motor and massager as labeled. Back motor, head motor, with the motor, heart rate, data cable, USB socket, back massage device cable. The fourth step is to install the LED sensor. Insert the excess wires into the pre-drilled wire clips. Repeat the operation on the other side. After installation, turn over the electric bag. The fifth step is to install the mattress lever. Install the remote control battery, paying attention to the positive and the negative poles. Installation completed. Power on for testing. Step 2. If you purchased a matching sear bed frame, install the connectors between the smart base and bed frame as shown in the diagram. Install our sets at both the head and foot of the bed.